different prices. Beach single blender. Very nice, guys. Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Self Care Official. We are here in the store, guys. Yeah, in the store looking on small kitchen equipment, and here we are looking on some small juice blender. Look at these, guys. Very small and handy. Take into your handbag to work, huh? To blend up your delicious drink. Wow. And the price is not bad, very affordable. 1,300 Jamaican dollar here in Jamaica. Rice equivalent to $150 Jamaican dollar US. Yeah, Jamaican dollars to one US dollar. Yeah, so cute, guys. Small unique blenders. You know, make your little smoothie at work. $1,500. Yeah, 1,005. So nice. So nice, guys. Small kitchen equipments. Very handy. Yeah. This one is a little dearer, 4,600. Yeah. So unique. Different colors, different prices. Beach single blender. Very nice, guys. Blend your juice, blend your spice. Yes, here at the store. Beautiful. Shoppers are here purchasing as well. Here we have some other ones. Yeah, orange juice. Juicer, orange juicer. So guys, you can invest in these. You know, whether you're in Jamaica, yes or no, you go to the store, you will see these in your area. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Beautiful.